our friend.
I'll mention you.
We'll catch you in London. See you there. See you, bro.
Have a safe journey, man.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Sorry sa perwisyo namin.
See you, brother.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Have a safe
Oh my God.
Take care. Have a safe
Yeah,
journey.
yeah, yeah. Kuya, ingat ka.
Are you coming or?
Ingatan nyo to ah.
Sir, thank you, sir. Ingat, sir.
Thank you. Kuya, ingat.
Hey, God bless. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Alright, where are we going?
I thought we're going around. You mentioned.
Oh yeah, 18.
Na-chat ko na.
Pauwi na ako.
Oh. Bye-bye.
You're alright. There we go. Get some water in the boy.
Let's go. What do you want to buy first?
Oh, you get an ATM and look on, I suppose, like ciggies and some cheaper alcohol, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, last. Kuya, pwede magtanong, saan po dito yung malapit na ATM machine? Sa may City Hall yata, di ba? Sa may munisipyo. Diretso ka doon. Okay. Thank you. Ate, saan po dito may malapit na ATM machine? Dito? Ay, may land bank pala. Thank you.
This is like, Ray's never told me about Cicada. Is it? We're as well? Is it Cicada as well?
We're not going there.
Oh, okay.
You should actually check first whether it's okay to smoke here.
What do you mean?
Sometimes there are towns that you're not allowed to smoke.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Mhm. Let's go around here.
Lead the way.
I don't know the way.
And I do.
Maybe we should walk around here. What do you think? It's the market.
It's the main street, right? So it should be okay.
Last na lang. Ate, last na lang. Saan po dito sakayan ng jeepney papuntang Maligkong? Doon, diretso lang. Okay. We can... Thank you po. What do you wanna buy? Do you wanna buy something?
I'll get cigarettes. I'm not running it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Maybe they have cigarettes here.
Oh, really? Okay.
Where can we ask? May sigarilyo po kayo, kuya?
Ayun.
Maybe there. Maybe there. What kind of cigarette do you want?
Not so fast food.
May sigarilyo kayo, kuya? Ano pong available nyo na sigarilyo?
Marlboro Red, Blue. Do you
Sa-
have Marlboro Gold?
Huh?
Is it Marlboro Gold?
That's lights. Isang lights, tapos isang... There I have no lights. Blue lang sa akin, kuya, isa.
Blue's close. You just catch a ride, didn't you?
Yeah. Pamaligkong po.
Alright, let's take.
Okay. This is the